I work for Matsuura Machinery. We are in the highest end of the machine tool industry, well known for 5-axis machine tools in the very highest end customers.
You have to go with your gut instinct. There was something very righteous about what we were doing, and to push it forward with that belief, with Autodesk Fusion 360, with HP printers, with Matsuura 5-axis product, making them all work together and having the belief that it would happen, and boy did we prove it could, you know.
And that's really where the story began.
So to actually get to the stage of cutting metal on a machine, the first thing we have to look at is how we're going to hold that workpiece. Normally the workpiece starts in a raw billet form, so we need to think how we're going to hold that billet and then subtractively machine away from it to create the component.
In terms of creating work holding for 5-axis projects, sometimes you could be waiting weeks for that work holding to be made and manufactured. First you've got to design it, you've got to source the supplier who can make it for you. Now you can cut that weeks down to hours,
Using Autodesk Generative Design in Fusion 360, an engineer is able to create a custom fixture without all the effort and the time needed to do that traditionally. That part is designed automatically using the power of the cloud, and we're able to manufacture that part on the HP machines we have available within 24 to 48 hours.
While we're at home at night, the cloud is doing the work to create these designs. Come in the next day, I then have the fixture in front of me.
It produces a design that has no constraints. So we've got a fixture, for instance, that looks so organic, you couldn't produce it. But of course, Fusion 360 hasn't got that limitation that you have when you're looking at a drawing on a screen and trying to design a fixture.
A lot of times at Autodesk, we have an awful lot of really good ideas. But what I've learned through this project is that by partnering with companies like Matsuura and HP, we're able to find new use cases that we didn't see before. The lesson for me is to always be listening as a company, because that is how we're going to find the new innovations that are going to help our customers reach new levels of profitability and success.
The future is now, and we're proving that the future is now with each passing day, with every small step we take towards a new future in manufacturing worldwide, and the future is now.